Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. First of all, thank you so much for liking my videos and subscribing my channel. I'll be very thankful to all of you guys for giving my videos a lots of love. In today's video, I'm showing you the most amazing and outstanding and latest modern false ceiling designs ideas. This is the modern false ceiling designs. Clean lines with hidden LED lights make the room look bright and stylish. Simple yet elegant. A gypsum false ceiling gives a smooth finish. It hides wires and allows smart lighting. Perfect for living rooms and bedrooms. Pop ceiling designs bring creativity with curves and carvings. They make your home look artistic and unique. Wooden false ceilings add warmth and luxury, a perfect choice for drawing rooms, hotels, and cottages. PVC false ceilings are lightweight, water resistant, and budget friendly, a great option for kitchens and bathrooms. Double layered ceiling designs create depth with curved lighting. They give a modern and classy look. Metal false ceilings are strong and durable. They give a bold and modern touch, mostly used in offices and shops. A circular false ceiling looks royal at a chandelier in the center, and it becomes a statement piece. Hidden LED strip lights inside the false ceiling creates a soft glow, perfect for a cozy and elegant atmosphere. False ceiling not only beautify your home but also reduce heat and noise, a smart and stylish choice. A single layer false ceilings designs keeps the room simple and neat. Best choice for modern minimal look. False ceilings with spotlights make the room bright and attractive. Great for bedrooms and study rooms. Geometric false ceilings designs look modern and stylish, perfect for a contemporary home. False ceilings with cove lighting add softness to the room. It makes the space warm and inviting. Mixing wood and gypsum in false ceilings creates a rich and classy style, a balance of modern and natural. A false ceilings with layered lights highlights every corner of the room. It gives depth and beauty. False ceilings in kitchens keep the space organized. Lights can be placed smartly for better cooking comfort. Colorful false ceilings designs bring energy and fun, a great option for kids' rooms and play areas. False ceilings with glass panels look elegant and premium. They add brightness and modern touch. A false ceiling with hidden fins or AC vents in particle and stylish. It keeps the room cool and clutter free. LED strip lights in false ceilings create a glowing effect, perfect for modern bedrooms and living spaces. 3D false ceilings patterns give a bold look. They make the room stand out with unique style. A false ceiling with recessed lights spread brightness evenly. It makes the space look clean and calm. False ceilings mirror panels add shine and glamour, great for luxury interior. A layered false ceilings with soft lighting creates a cozy and relaxing atmosphere. False ceilings can hide messy wires and give a smooth finish look to your home. Curved false ceilings designs bring softness and elegance. A perfect choice for stylish living room. False ceilings with wooden beams give a rustic and natural vibe, ideal for farmhouse style homes. A false ceiling with spotlight corners adds focus and charms to the room. Mixing two colors in false ceiling designs make the ceiling more attractive and lively. Steady false ceiling designs with tiny LED lights look like a night sky, perfect for kids' room. False ceilings with chandelier cutouts make the lights and centerpiece stylish and royal. Minimal false ceiling designs are best for small rooms. They keep the space open and bright. False ceilings with hidden strip lights make walls glow, simple yet modern design. Gypsum false ceilings are fire resistant and durable, a smart and safe choice. False ceilings with gold and metallic touch bring a luxury hotel look-like look. Round false ceilings give softness to the design, great with pendant lights. False ceilings with spotlights on artwork highlight beauty in the room. A multi-level false ceilings adds depth and dimension, perfect for large living rooms. False ceilings with hidden speakers make home theaters look neat and stylish. False ceilings with hidden LED strips create a floating effect, stylish and modern. Mixing wood and white panels in false ceilings gives a classy and balanced look. False ceilings with curved lights bring a soft glow, perfect for cozy evenings. False ceilings with designer cut patterns looks creative and artistic. False ceilings with colorful LED lights create a funny party mood. Simple gypsum false ceilings are timeless. They fit any type of interior style. False ceilings with recessed square panels give a bold and sharp look. Adding texture in false ceiling makes the room look rich and stylish. False ceilings with indirect lighting reduce glare and make the room comfortable. Modern false ceilings are just decoration. They also save energy by improving and insulation. I hope you like my today's video. I'll be right back very soon. Thank you so much for your love. Till then, take care of yourself a lot. Allah Hafiz guys.